DHCP what is the range of IP address what we have to send to the client. It will done by selecting. Then if analyze the thing and send what IP should be sent to the client. After that analyzing, it decide and send the request method from selecting to the requesting. Requesting get that message and forward the acknowledgement of a DHCP to the bound. Now you have to bound the things. Bound has two decisions. Further, it sent the message with the help of DHCP request to renewing of a IP address. If the IP address has been renewing or someone has released the IP address, it goes this message to the initial or rebinding. Sorry, not rebinding, it goes message to the initial. When renewing has that tag, then it apply the acknowledgement that I have to change my IP address. Sorry, I have to change my IP address. Tell me the IP address of the things. That is sent by the renewing to the bound. Or if don't want to send any acknowledgement, it renewing rebind the it send this message to rebinding the things. I don't have any acknowledgement. I was renewing the IP address. It sends to the rebinding process. Then rebinding send this message to the initialization, that is known as first step, with the help of that DHCP negative acknowledgement. These are the operations code for DHCP and how they works. This is a state transaction diagram of DHCP. Now we see this diagram in a form of client server architecture process. This one. Firstly, boot process is done at server. Oh, I will tell about that. That is a numerical value 67 at the server end and 68 at the client end. These are the port address where DHCP work. And UDP is a protocol which it helps to send that message. It is a transport layer protocol. Server are passively open. It says that I am open and I want to send if you want any IP address, send me the request. Then client send the DHCP discover. I want to get some IP address. Server get that request and send offer to the client. This was the IP address. You have to get that things. DHCP said that okay, I am fine. Client said that okay, I am fine. Send me the IP address. With the help of acknowledgement, it sends the IP address. It takes before 50% of the time we have to decide. It sends this message from this to this. In between that time duration, 50% of least time expires. The DHCP acknowledge message sent it by the server to the client. Then the connection or the IP address it has been established. Sorry. After this, acknowledgement reached at client end. Client send the DHCP request. If server does not respond, request is repeated till when the DHCP negative acknowledgement sent by the server. Okay, it continuously sended that DHCP request from client to send till the negative acknowledgement was not sent. When negative acknowledgement was sent, it has new lease connections and server sent that packet, and after this DHCP After some process of that, you have to then the client got that acknowledgement and get an IP address. What you have to, and then you are ready to connect with your local area network, and you do your operation and your work has done. Then the client sent that I want to release from that node. Then DHCP release was sent by this. These are the exchanging message for DHCP. Now I will tell about how static IP and manual IP was where and how static IP and where it will be stored. Firstly, these are the this is the desktop of my computer. See, you see here there is a small computer icon by which it will have this one. Open on, click right on and open network connection. Then you can this network connection has been open. Recently I am using a Wi-Fi connector. That's why it says in Wi-Fi. That Wi-Fi name was given this. Click on this Wi-Fi network. You see the network adapters interface. In this, your internet connectivity is IP version 4. IP version 6 is not connected. Media state was unable. SSID is known as the request ID, the username ID. How duration of the network was connected, speed of a network was, signal quality given there. In this, you have to click here in details. In details, you get these network connection details. What is the connection details? See this. What is the description of how? What is the wireless adapter? How this is the physical of the address of the. And see here, DHCP enables. Yes. This means that it is a automatic connecting value, not the manual connection value. IP address was a subnet mask. I will already told in previous semester. This is the subnet mask on how. What is the purpose of this? This is the lease obtained where the connection, when the connection was established, when DHCP message exchange was established. That is the time was this, and the lease time when till when it will be connected. Till time it connected. It gives the time at 12 o'clock 5 minutes 47 seconds. The DHCP release packet was clicked. This is a gateway for connecting in a LAN. These are the DHCP server and these are the IP address of another thing. Okay, I will tell that how where manual IP and the IP address was connected. Open this window and click on properties. See the Wi-Fi properties was connected. Here we see that internet protocol version 4, TCP IP version 4. Click double click or single click on property. You will see this. These are the obtained IP address automatically. DHCP obtained automatically IP address. It is the interface by which router or the other things we have get that IP address. If you want to get the value from manual way, firstly I will see the IP address of that is known as 192.168.43.109. Okay, I told you that 192.168.43.109. Fine. Click on properties. Again we see this. Click on properties. Click on IP protocol version 4. Use the IP address. See this 192.16.43.108. Subnet mask gateway, that is 192.16.43.1. Now you see here the difference between the things. DHCP enable was no. Then it means that manual IP was given to the system. In previous, we have seen that DHCP yes, that means that automatic IP was adapted by the newer devices. In this, no, which means that manual IP was adapted this way. Now you see, you will learn about DHCP, what is the purpose of DHCP, how it works, and how automatic and manual IP was given to the system. Thank you, students.